Nakakabilib ang kaayos nating si Bel de la Cruz from Rizal. Dahil ang song shoutout niya ay para sa sarili niya at para sa lahat ng may pinagdadaanan pero patuloy na lumalaban. Sabi nga niya, mahirap man ngayon, magiging maayos din ang lahat. Bel, this song from Ayos Playlist is for you. Falling out, falling in, nothing sure in this world, no, no. Breaking out, breaking in, never knowing what lies ahead. We can really never tell it all, no, no, no.
Say goodbye, say hello to a lover or friend. Sometimes we never could understand why some things begin then trusted. We can really never tell it. Oh, oh, oh. No, 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 no. Life's full of challenges that all the time we get what we want, but don't despair, my dear.
You'll take each trial and you'll make it through the storm, 'cause you're strong. My faith in you is clear.
So I say once again, this was wonderful. Let us celebrate life that's so beautiful, so beautiful. Take a little time, see the butterflies, listen to the birds. Now we'll sing to sing for me and you. Can you feel me? This is such a wonderful place to be. Even if there is pain now, everything will be alright. For as long as the world still turns, there will be night and day. Can you hear me? There's a rainbow always after the rain.
Marami sa atin ang may paborito ng kantang ito. Lalo na kapag naaalala natin yung taong nagpapangiti sa atin. Kaya nga si Judith, ni-request talaga ito para sa crush niya. Judith Villarente from Antipolo, sana magustuhan mo ang kantang ito. From your Ayos playlist.
Lift your head, baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You'll get by with a smile. You can win and everything, but you can try.
Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's a need to wait. When they're closing all their doors, they don't want you anymore. This sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway.
Boy, I'll stay through the bad times, even if I had to fetch you every day.